In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art animation in 4 minutes. Let's create a UV sphere. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 1 to vertex select. Ctrl, B, and V, as in Victor to bevel the selected vertices. Again, it's Ctrl, B, first, and V, to bevel the vertices. 3 to face select. Let's select this face and press Shift, G, to select similar like this. Let's extrude along normals. We need individual origins. Let's scale the selected faces. In edit mode, we need to expand the selection by pressing Ctrl numpad+. If your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, please use the select menu above to select more. P to separate. Let's remove the original sphere. I'll twist this mesh 360 degrees. I'll create a curve circle and an empty object. Let's make the empty object to follow the curve. We won't need the track to constraint. Let's link the empty object to the twist modifier. Please resize the curve circle to create interesting shapes. I'll add the materials. I'll add a UV sphere with an emission shader, and change the render setting to Eevee with bloom. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.